Welcome back viewers. In the last video, we have seen the performance test being conducted on Casio system with BPFLAND version SCX BPFLAND, and the profiler was selected for power save. This is the power save profile, and the power save scheduler flag was also enabled. Now in today's video, we are going to change over to low latency profile. So the scheduler remains the same, that is the XCS BPFLAND. It is a variant of BPFLAND, and the scheduler profile is low latency, and there are some flags automatically enabled for this scheduler profile, that is low latency. Now you have to apply this, authenticate, and the scheduler profile gets applied to the system. Now we can start with the test. And we will wait for the test to complete, and then we will stop the video and change over to the next scheduler profile for the BPFLAND. Now the multi-core test has started. So the test is over and the results are available on this link. We will copy the link address, open the browser. Open a new tab. Paste and visit. You can see here the multi-core scores have improved. Now we will just take a look back, see how the scores improve. when we use the different profiles of the SCX BPFLAND. You can see here the scores have improved by almost 400 points here. I will just save it to the bookmark toolbar. Why there is some problem with this? It is still not opening up. What we can do is I will just close it once. We will open it again. Yes, now it is coming. So here you can see. Okay, so the scores in fact have dropped, not increased. It has dropped a little bit, and it has also dropped little bit from the single core also core. So this is we can say that the system performance has tapered between the power save to your low latency. So there is not much difference in performance between the low latency and power save. Almost they are giving the same single core and multi-core scores. So that's it for today's video. We will meet in the next video with the next scheduler profile. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.